Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form trip. V2 past form tripped. V3 past participle tripped. V4 present par, tripping. V5 SESIES trips. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb trip? Answer. The base form of the verb trip is trip. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb trip? Answer. The past form of the verb trip is tripped. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb trip? Answer. The past participle of the verb trip is tripped. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb trip? Answer. The present participle of the verb trip is tripping. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb trip? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb trip is trips.
Verb prompts example sentences.
V1 I often trip over my own shoelaces. V2 she tripped and fell on the sidewalk. V3 he had tripped on a tree root in the forest. V4 they were laughing while watching him tripping on the dance floor. V5 she trips occasionally when she's in a hurry.
Subscribe my channel.